Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this adorable memory album slash memory keepsake box. It is so sweet and you can just add any touch you want. It doesn't have to just be for summer. It could be something sentimental, seashells, treats, whatever you want to do with it. But it is very easy. All you're going to need is one 3x12 paper. This is going to be your box. This part right here. You're going to need one sheet of 4 7/8 by 4 7/8 paper. That's going to be your drawer. And if you have double-sided paper, you're not going to need this, but this is the 3x3 insert right here, just so that you have that. So double-sided probably would be easier for this project. I also did line my drawer, and if you have double-sided paper, you probably won't have to do that. So the other items you're going to need is just some adhesive. I used my crocodile because I had put in an eyelet in my drawer pull out. If you don't have one, it's not a big deal. Use a hole punch, pencil, whatever you have to do to get the hole. You're just going to tie the ribbon. So I just did it to make it look nice. And just get a piece of ribbon for the drawer pull out. So now we're going to start with the box. Like I said, this is so easy. And I got this new scoreboard and it's awesome. I love it because you can see in between all the inches, which I always have to keep looking up, and it's very frustrating. This is a We Are Memory, and I am loving it. It came in a kit. So anyway, okay, we're going to start with our 3x12 paper. We're going to score at 3 inches. I'm just going to score it again so I can make sure I see it. 3 inches, 4 inches, 7 inches. I like to make sure really get that score in when you're folding that box. 8 inches. And 11 inches. This is going to complete your box. All you're going to do is score everything. This is a very simple project. I love it. I'm sorry I can't forward this part for you guys. It's tedious watching me do this, I'm sure. Any bloggers, please tell me what you use to fast forward your apps. It would be appreciated. I hate when you guys have to sit here and watch me do all this. Okay, so just score all that. All going in. It's just I can't really see my score line very well right now. The light isn't that great for me right now. Okay, so this right here is going to complete your box. Look how easy. Oops. So that's it for the box. Now, make sure your flap isn't inside, because then you're just going to have a box without the album part. So you want to make sure this is sticking outside like that. And I'm just going to glue down or tape down right here, just in this little binding part. I'm just going to fold that in. Make sure I do it right. Oh goodness. Okay. And that is your box with your album cover right here. Hold on, sorry, let me just make sure this is even. I don't want any problems later. It's that easy though. Okay, so let me fix this, you guys. It's hard when I can't put it right up to my face to measure the lines. Just want to make sure it's perfect. Okay, so there you go, and just put that aside, and we're going to start on the drawer. So you're going to take your 4 7/8 paper, and this part is easy as well. And you're just going to score it at 1 inch all the way around. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, one more. And this is very similar to my other tutorials. We're going to basically just slit it. So score it. And now we're just going to make 4 little slits. 1, 2, and then flip it. 3, and 4. So now we're just going to do my little trick where I like to fold these tabs down, and this is going to just create your drawer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're just going to fold it up, and that's going to be your drawer. How easy is this, you guys? It does not get any easier than that. It looks complicated, but it's not. So I'll show you. I'm just going to slide it in, and there's your drawer. Wish I had a little bit more glue there. So the only thing I did to this is make a little punch for my drawer holder, my handle. Oops, I'm totally about to clamp that. So I'm just going to make it in the middle. Can't really see what's going on here. Actually, I'm going to use a small one. Right in the middle, so you can see the hole. And I just need to get a little eyelet. If you don't have one, just put in the ribbon now. It's really not that big of a deal. Oh, and this is actually a bigger eyelet, so let me make this hole a little bit bigger. My puncher won't go through. Okay, that's my Crop-It-All I'm using. So I'm just gonna stick the eyelet in. And punch it down. And I'm just gonna grab some ribbon. Cut it whatever length you think you might need for the drawer. And I'm just going to tie a knot. Make it kind of big so it doesn't slide out when they pull open the tab. See how it kind of just holds on to there? I'm going to snip this down just a little bit because it's kind of too big for it. Okay. And I'm going to slide in my drawer. See? How easy is that? And it's so adorable. I love it. And the only other thing I did was add some embellishments, which you can add anything you want. This is just summer mode, so I'm going to add a little camera. And just a sticker. So anyways, and if you want, just add your sheet inside of here. Oh, my glue is not sticking. I didn't add enough glue right here. Fix that real quick. Got crushing my box. Okay, so, and just add some glue here to stick on this cover. And that is it, you guys. I hope you love this tutorial. I really enjoyed making this, and they are just so cute. I can't wait to see what you guys make with it. Thank you for watching.